Hello friends, in this video we'll talk about pyrimidine metabolism. We'll see the ring, biosynthesis, regulation and catabolism with the applied aspect. So let's see how is the ring. Now we are observing C4 to C6 with N1 is aspartate. This triangle shaded is the aspartate. Glutamine is N3. Compare with purine, N9 was included. Here there is no N9, just only 3. And C2, C for CO2, CO2, C2. Okay, remember like that. We'll get into the biosynthesis. So first step is just like urea cycle only. CO2 plus glutamine. Compare with urea cycle, in place of this ammonium was there. Here CPS2, there CPS1 in urea cycle. So first step is easy. Just recollect the urea cycle. Okay. As usual, ATP to ADP, release of glutamate. We have CP, carbamyl phosphate. So in short, to compare with urea cycle, first step was ammonium. Here glutamine. Same product only. CP, carbamyl phosphate. Enzyme was different. Here CPS2, there CPS1. Now on aspartate transcarbamylase, what we are finding? Carbamyl aspartates. Aspartate is added. On dehydration, we have dihydroorotate. Dihydroorotate. On dehydrogenase, we get orotate. Dihydro is removed on dehydrogenase. Then there is phosphoribosal transferase. I repeat, phosphoribosal transferase. We'll get OMP, orotidine monophosphate. Then OMP on decarboxylation, UMP. Then UMP is phosphorylated to form UDP, UDP, UTP, etc. So like this, you are getting the dump, DUMP and DTMP. Same way, you will get CTP. On phosphorylation, UTP. On CTP synthetase or okay, CTP synthase, will get CTP. Okay. Let's see the regulation and catabolism. Okay, so catabolism, nothing much to remember. Just remember only two things. One, there is a production of the beta-alanine and beta-amino isobutyrate, and it is glycoketogenic nature. Okay. Regulation is by feedback inhibition, that is aspartate transcarbamylase. Stimulated by ATP, inhibited by UTP. In place of A, if you put U, it's inhibited. You can remember like this. For example, when someone is angry, they'll say, you are not allowed to go to this place. Like that. UTP, U, inhibited. You are not allowed. Okay. CPS2. Okay. Right. Right. So continuation with the regulation. CPS2 is stimulated by ATP. Just remember only ATP, inhibited by UTP. Same we can remember for aspartate transcarbamylase. What I said, you can write the same for CPS2. No problem. OMP decarboxylase is inhibited by UMP and CMP. Based on this, we have a condition called orotic aciduria. Along with OMP decarboxylase, even the phosphoribosal transferase I showed you in the steps. Okay. So clinical features, any two, like for example megaloblastic anemia and urinary tract infection, UTI. In microsecond year, we will see the details of urinary tract infection. Okay. Just remember megaloblastic anemia, which was in vitamin B12, and urinary tract obstruction. Treatment is diet rich in uridine or cytidine. Okay. references from where I took the pictures. That brings us to end of the video. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.